Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. So for today, I did a spring inspired eyeshadow look using the Moon Tea Cosmetics My Little Sea Maid palette. And this is what she looks like, super cute. I've also included some swatches because I know I always forget to do that when using a new palette. Here's what they look like if you guys want to see how I did this look, and then please keep watching. So I'm going to be taking this brush right here. It's by GLF Cosmetics, and I'm going to be dipping into the shade Childhood, and I'm just going to pack that directly in the outer corner and start dabbing it into the crease area as well. Now I'm going to be taking a little bit of product at a time and then gradually adding it onto my eye space just so that I can build up that shade. And yes, I already applied some concealer as a base. I forgot to film it, you guys, but you know, like in all my videos, I use the Moira Cosmetics Mega Waterproof Concealer. So to be honest, I did not know where I was going with this look, you guys, when I started doing it. But I really love how it turned out. So as you can see, I'm using dabbing motions as well as small circular motions, and I'm just going to build up that color to where I like it to be while still using a very light hand to apply these shades. Now to blend that out, I'm going to be taking the shade Chicago on this L'Amour Beauty 112 crease brush, and I'm just going to take a little bit of product as always, and then I'm just going to use circular motions, and I'm going to buff out those edges. So I've been meaning to use this palette for the longest time, and I finally got around to it, and it is really cute. I really love the little concept that it has behind it. So I'm just going to fast forward this part just a little bit, and what I'm just doing is just adding a little bit of product and really blending out that edge because I really like to have soft edges. So now I feel like it's missing a shade, so I'm going to take a little bit of yellow from the GLF Cosmetics Princess Airi palette, and I'm just going to blend out that orange as well. If you don't have a yellow shade, you can skip this part or you can use any yellow of your choosing. I just really want it to have more of a softer gradient look to it. So I'm just going to buff this out until I think it looks as perfect as I can get it. And with a very light hand, just a windshield wiper swiping motions, I'm just going to go back and forth. And blending is a process, like I always say. And I'm going to be using the same brush that we used the first time. I'm going to be picking up a little bit of the maple red shade, and I'm going to apply that on the outer corner as well as in the crease, just to deepen things up a little bit. So I'm just speeding up this clip, but all I'm doing is going back and forth and adding a little bit more of that product at a time to deepen things up to where I'd like it to be. Next, I'll be picking up a little bit more of that shade called Confident, that yellow shade from the Princess Airi palette, and I'm just going to blend that out. Now I'm going to be taking just a hint of that brown shade Gypsy, and I'm just going to apply that on the outer corner. Just going to dab it slightly there, and then I'm going to drag the rest into the crease. So now for the lid, I'm going to be taking my finger and adding that shade Mermaid Dream so that I can really get the color payoff. But honestly, this shade really isn't doing it for me. Let's see the second coat. Yeah, it's not really looking as great as I want it to be. So I think I'm going to do something else. I'm going to be picking up this from Essence of the Earth, and I just got this, and this is my first time using it, but I am totally impressed with it. I really love the iridescence that it gives off, so I'm going to apply that on my lid with my finger. Next, to blend it together, I'm going to take more of that shade Childhood and then just apply that in the crease area and outer corner. Now for the lower lash line, I'm going to be using the shade Childhood on the first half and then Maple Red on the outer half. Next, to highlight, I'm going to be taking another Loose Pigment by Essence of the Earth, and this is so gorgeous. I really love the shades that they sent me. I think I found my new favorite highlighter, to be honest. Now, I'm already wearing some mascara, so I'm just going to recurl my lashes and possibly add a little bit more. Oh, I forgot, you guys. I wanted to add some eyeliner, so I'm going to be taking this one by Glamlight. And it's been forever, actually, since I've added some eyeliner. Sorry, my voice is going out. I've been sick lately, you guys, but I'm getting better. So this is my first time using this eyeliner. I think it works really well. I'm really used to using the liquid liner by NYX, and you can tell the applicator is different. Applying eyeliner with these pencils is not my specialty. Maybe one day I will have an in-depth tutorial on how to apply eyeliner, but today is not that day. To be honest, when I got to this point in the look, I thought I totally bombed it, which is why I went off camera and finished applying it, but I think it came out great. Now for lashes today, I'm going to be using the ones called Siren by Lash Realm. And lastly, I'm going to add some more highlighter just to give it more of a blinding effect. Oh, and that looks really great. This one is the shade Rose by Essence of the Earth as well. And this is, to be honest, this is going to replace any other highlighter that I've been using. I really love this. You guys got to check them out. So this completes the look. I really love how this turned out. To be honest, I was not sure where I was going with it, like I said, but this is a very simple, minus the eyeliner part, a very simple look that you can achieve. And thank you guys so much for watching. You guys have a blessed week, and we'll see you next time.